Hey friends, we are going to try our hand today at Marbelized Christmas ornaments. Okay, every year I make some type of Christmas ornament for friends and family, and usually it's hand painted, but this year I saw the Polished Peasant do this and I thought, I can do that. I can do that. That looks so easy, and her ornaments were so beautiful, so I wanted to try it. So many of you may recognize these ornaments. I got a big pack of Hobby Lobby. There was a pack of 8 for 40% off. So I snagged it for I think a little over $5 for 8 of them. Which was a much better deal that for the number that I needed than buying them individually at the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna try my hand at it and we're gonna see how it turns out. So I'm gonna pop off the little top. This is silver, nothing wrong with that, but for what I'm doing, I'm gonna paint this gold. She said gold or bronze. You could paint it whatever color you wanted, but for me, what the colors I'm doing, we're gonna paint that gold in a minute. So this is a large DIY, it's plastic ornament, and so we're gonna start off, if I remember correctly, with glitter. I'm using gold glitter. You do whatever color scheme you got going on. I have an old funnel, and I'm just gonna dump in a little bit of glitter or a lot, depending. So we're gonna get that shaking around just all over your ornament. Get it nice and coated. If you have a lot of extra, you can knock it back into your container, but I didn't put that much, so I think we're just gonna leave it in there. Then I have, I'm using True Black is the color. It's oil-based stain, and it's a Minwax. That's what I'm using. Then I have, this is actually Anita's acrylic from Hobby Lobby, and this is an antique white, so it's kind of a creamy color. And then I have gold. This is Deco Art. This is the Glorious Gold. Got that at Hobby Lobby. And of course the gold glitter. And then I'm using baking soda for, she used, I think, a cornstarch, but baking soda works too. So I've got my glitter all over as much as possible. I'm gonna go in first with the stain, and we're just gonna do some dribbles is what she did. I don't think, and she said this, just kind of dribble it and let it go down. I'm just using this method, but I really don't think there's, and I think she said it, there's just not a right or wrong way. You do what makes your little heart happy till, you know, whatever. I think she only used 2 colors. I'm using 3 because I wanted the black and gold, but I wanted the white to break it up. So you're gonna kind of get this all around to where you're happy with it, and we're gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes to dry. So it's been about 5 minutes, and you can see our stain is pretty dry, and I kind of twirled it around in different positions while it was drying, so it got kind of all over randomly. No set pattern, which is the beauty of it, I think, and gives it that marbleized textured look. So now is where our baking soda comes in. I'm gonna put the funnel in, and let me make sure I don't have any lumps. I'm just gonna put like a light little bit in there, and we're just gonna shake that all around and get it. It's gonna stick to the stain that's in there. Just kind of get it all over. It doesn't have to be full coverage, or just kind of scattering it about. You'll see how it started to get in there. You can see my light, sorry. So once you get that kind of dusted all over, then we're gonna come in, I'm gonna come in with the cream or antique white, I think is what it was, color. The same thing, just like we did with the stain, we're just gonna squirt in a few drops here and there. I'm gonna try to get some down in the bottom just so it's in various places. And you'll see that starting to go drip, drip all around. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but it really comes together pretty. I've done a couple off camera already. I'm going to show you. So I'm pretty excited. Like, I wasn't sure how those were going to turn out, but they're drying beautifully. So I think we're doing good. Again, I don't think there's a right or wrong way. You just play with it till you're happy with the end result. So while that's kind of dripping down, I'm going to come in also with my gold. I'm kind of just choosing the spots that don't really have any color in them. This really is, she said it didn't take long, and she was right. It's super easy, much easier than I thought. I was like hesitant as to if I could do it, but y'all, it really is turning out cute. You're just kind of dripping. You'll see how it's just starting to blend all those colors together. So pretty. I think I'm gonna come back at this point with just a little more stain. You're kind of just filling in the gaps, twirling as you go. You'll see it's kind of getting that all around. I think I'm gonna come in with a little more baking soda. That's gonna kind of, so pretty. And kind of let it drip. I think I need maybe a little bit more gold. Again, it comes together really quick. We're gonna let that drip. And then lastly, I think I'm gonna squirt it with a little bit more glitter, because glitter. And we're gonna shake that all the way around. It's still dripping in there. It's gonna take a good another 5 minutes to dry, but you can see how it's already coming together. And then the little topper that I took off, we're gonna paint that gold. And I'm gonna show you one that's already dried real quick, or is in the process of drying. Look how beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm so excited. Thank you, Polished Peasant, for making it easy for me to try this. I love how they turned out, and I'll show a picture at the end of the finished product with the lid, and I'm gonna put a little tag on it. So I think the people that are gonna get this are gonna really love it. Thank you. Y'all go get crafty. Show me what you did. All right, here is the finished ornament with the lid. You'll see I painted them gold. I did a layer of gold, and then I did a layer of, let me put this down and show you. Then I did a layer of like a truffle brown, and then another layer of gold over it. And so this is my final ornament. Aren't these gorgeous? Just love how they turned out. They're all different. That one's a little more gold. They're all different, and I just love it, love it, love it. But yeah, you gotta try it.